Hi Kasibuana, kapamilya, kapuso. Good day, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone. Welcome to my channel, and I will discuss about the SenseLock requirements and my experience. Hi guys, this is the requirements for SenseLooks. Ang ginawa ko guys, kinukumpleto ko muna yung mga requirements. Before you proceed to SenseLooks guys, dapat guys appointment muna kayo and already fill out the DS-160 para hindi na kayo mahirapan guys. Kasi mayroon doon na sa SenseLooks form nila, hiningi yung DS-160 mo. So, yun guys. Here's the requirements guys. Original passport, biographic page from your Philippines passport, 2 colored copies, and then bring the SenseLooks medical confirmation, print out and i-print nyo guys ng colored guys. And then bring 4 pieces of your 2x2 passport style photos, and then bring US Embassy interview confirmation, 2 copies, and bring I-797 notice of action or NOAA 2 colored copies, and bring letter of eligibility Manila case number, 2 copies, bring DS-160 confirmation page, colored copies, bring NSO original birth certificate, 2 copies, cash of 17,025 pesos, and also your other medical records. So, yun guys, yung dalhin nyo. That's the requirements of SenseLooks. And I want to share to you guys my experience of SenseLooks in my second video. And thank you for watching, and God bless. Kasi buwana ka pamilya, kapuso. Bye!